Yes, another good moment to meet your teacher. Now, the last time we met and we talked about electron distribution and electron distribution diagram, or rather, electron configuration or electron configuration diagram, or electron arrangement and electron arrangement diagram. Now, back to the same subtopic. There are some NBs I want us to put into consideration. Number one, NB. We have to say that the electrons within the energy level, the electrons within the energy levels are distributed using a cross, that is X cross, that is a cross, or a dot. A cross or what? A dot. Now, you saw me distributing the electrons using crosses. Now, for instance, that is the nucleus. If we want to draw the electron configuration diagram of, let's say, number 2, that is helium in the periodic table, we'll come and put helium here, and then the first energy level must hold a maximum of what? Of 2. And because helium is number 2 in the periodic table with an electron arrangement of 2, it will just remain to be 2. So those are the electron distribution using crosses, or rather, this is A, and then there is another B. So we can again draw it using dots. So we have helium as the element, the first energy level, with the first electron and the second electron. So you can see how we can distribute these particular electrons. We can distribute them using crosses. These are crosses, and this is a dot. These are dots. Now, that is the first NB. And I want you to master all this, because electron configuration or electron distribution or electron arrangement will not miss this time. Now, the second NB, we have to ensure, or rather, write the name of the element inside the nucleus, or rather within the nucleus. So you can see there is helium inside, or this is optional. It is optional. But for you to be seen as a good scientist, or to be seen as a good student, or rather a bright student, it is advisable, after drawing the nucleus, write the name of the element, if it is chlorine, and then proceed by drawing the first energy level, the second energy level. Chlorine is number 17 within the periodic table. So if we draw the first energy level, if we use a dot, the first will occupy 2. So chlorine is number 17 in the periodic table. Electron configuration of 2, 8, 8. 2 plus 8 is 10, and then 7. 2, 8, 7. The first energy level, 2. The second, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then lastly 7, 8. So you can see We have how many electrons? 8 electrons. Very good. Write the name of the element inside the nucleus. Optional. So this is the nucleus, and you can see how I placed my chlorine. Now consider this, the first one, that the electrons within the energy levels are distributed using crosses or dots. Now, I want us to talk about revision under the subtopic. Revision under the subtopic. Revision under the topic or subtopic. Now, I want you to understand the meaning of an atom. Define an atom. Define an atom. Number 2, I want you to differentiate between atomic number and mass number. And mass what? Number. Number 3, I want you to define energy level. Define energy level. Energy level. Number 4, an atom has a mass number of 35. An atom, or rather an element, has a mass number of 35. And an atomic number of 17. An atom has a mass number of 35, an atomic number of 17. Full stop. Question A. Find the number of electrons in that element or atom. Number B, find the number of neutrons in that element. Then I think we are good to go up to that level. Now, I want you to go and try answering this question and see whether you are able to do them up to that particular point. More questions will come later on based on the topic once we are done with the topic. Otherwise, let's meet in the subtopic. Be blessed and enjoy your time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.